Hello, my dear sisters and brothers in Budapest. I'm Umut, a shaman guide from Anatolia. This weekend, I will be in Budapest to make two amazing workshops. One is the inner voice, which is about finding your purpose of life, and this workshop provides you many tools you can use in your life, in your daily life, such as you can make easier decisions and you can find more ways to connect inside and learn more about yourself. And it will be fun too. There will be a shamanic spirit animal journey also, so your spirit animal will be waiting for you to meet. And there will be rituals and music and drumming, and so it will be a shamanic experience for the sake of finding your purpose of life. And the second one on Sunday will be the channeling activation. It's a path for shamanic healing. This is for people who start to build a path for being a healer, or anyone who's interested in being a healer, or anyone who's interested into channeling, which means tapping into the energy field and the information flow of a person through the cosmic portals, and these are our own abilities to discover. So I'm waiting to see you in the workshops.